So, I'm cutting grass. I was missing the piece to keep the grass from hitting my face. It was blowing all over me. So I rigged it up with an old dustpan. You can see my dog's chewed on it. It's broken right here. It barely, even picks up any dust. So hopefully that will, it's not at the right angle. It should be facing down a little bit more, but I do think that this will keep it from blowing back into my face. I guess we can try it out. Okay, hey, so the lawnmower gets really loud at this part, so I came back and just did a little voiceover. But yeah, the dustpan actually worked. I think if I do get it angled down a little bit more, it would be even better, so it's blowing more down towards the ground instead of, up in the air and kind of blowing back if it's windy kind of thing. But it did help me tremendously. Don't look, I am cutting the grass in the wrong direction right here. Don't judge me. But yeah, as you can see, it held up pretty good. It's not really falling off. Didn't even loosen up. I actually cut my whole yard with it like this. Never got loose. Stayed just like that. Kept things from getting in my eyes. And yeah, I hope this helped y'all in some way. Good luck cutting grass. Please let me know what y'all thought about this voiceover situation, if y'all liked it or hated it. And like and subscribe to Pawpaw Sammy and Aly Bug. Bye, guys.